In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to grow your email list. So let's get into it. There's really three things that you need in order to grow your email list. That is a landing page, a freebie, and an email sequence. So let's break down what each one of those are. So the landing page is basically a simple one page that someone can plug in their email address. And what they are doing is a little bit of information about you and what it is you do, and a box for them to plug in their email. And they're doing this in exchange for a free resource that you have offered them. So that could be a checklist, that could be a template of some sort, a guide, or a mini course, maybe. So they give you their email, they opt in, and you are then going to deliver them the freebie. So the freebie gets delivered to them via email. So the third thing is an email sequence. So you can set up, let's go back to the landing page. You can set up a simple landing page for free. I'm going to link for you in the description an example of one. If you want to use that as a template, you can get started completely for free. So it's a simple one page, gives a little bit of info about you and a place for them to plug in their email. After they click that button to hit submit, they'll be taken to what is called a thank you page. So this is a place where you can either automatically deliver that free resource to them or let them know that they're going to be receiving it via email. And you can even have the opportunity to then share with them about any products that you might sell. Pick one product, and then this is the page that you can share some information about that if they want more info, and have a button on it that would then take them to the sales page for that product. So it's very, very valuable. And the reason why we want to grow an email list is because we own that list. We don't own social media. We are um, at the algorithm's win, right? It changes all the time, no matter what platform you're on, and it can change at any time. And we don't own it. Your account can disappear. Different weird things can happen, but an email list you own, and anyone can unsubscribe at any time. So they're choosing to opt in. And if they decide that they don't want the information anymore, they can simply choose to easily unsubscribe. So now we've got our landing page and thank you page built for us. Then we're going to deliver a free resource. So like I talked about, three of the main ones that work really well are either templates of some sort, checklists, or a mini course, like a 30-minute or less course solving one problem for them. So this will get delivered to them via email. So you set up a 3 to 5 email sequence where they get to know, like, and trust you better. And then you can pitch your products. So that very first email they will get right away, right after they hit submit on that form. And it will thank them for, coming into your world. It will deliver the free resource that you promised to them, as well as give them a little bit more information about you and what you do. So it's just another way for you to connect and get to know your potential customers better. And then over the next few days, you can set up an email sequence. Like 3 to 5 is a great starting point. Set up an equal email sequence, giving them more value, and then offering them a next step if they need more resources. And that is where you can pitch the product that you sell. So it is a great way to take them off the social media platforms and get them into your own world. An email list is something that you own. So you might be asking yourself, okay, great. I built the landing page. I built the email sequence. I've got this freebie, but how do I get them there? That is where your social media content comes into play. So you are creating social media content. Instead of just attracting followers, you can actually bring them into your world. So you get to know them better and they get to know you better. So it's as simple as adding a CTA or a call to action at the end of your content. So it might look something like, let's say you're a content creator and you're doing a checklist of everything that you do when you go to create a piece of content. And so your potential customer wants to get better at creating their content. So you're giving them one valuable tip in the piece of content on social media. And at the end of it, you might say something like, if you want my exact checklist that I use every day when I go to create a piece of content, just check the link below in order to grab it, or comment the word checklist below in order to grab it. And then from there, they will get the link in order to opt in to your landing page to get that free resource. It's super simple and it's a great way. People love being told what to do. So you have to tell them at the end of your videos to take that next step. You're inviting them. No one's required. You invite them to take the next step. They choose to put their email in return for that free resource. You're delivering them free value. And as long as you continue to deliver value throughout your email sequence, they will stay on. And if they don't, and it's not something that they need and that's not a right fit, they simply unsubscribe. But that is the beauty of building an email list and how you can simply do it. Again, if you need a template in order to get started on building your landing page so that you can start collecting those emails, check out the link below in order to do that. And if you need help on how to create that freebie, check out this next video. I walk you through that step by step.